My name is Lina Giselle Urbano Zapata. I am 27 years old. I am from Colombia, Ilay, Cali. With my husband, Michael. I am son Juan David. I'm working confunding house secretary. I am a student at National University Open Distance. 1 year August, I was in San Andres Isla, Colombia, located in the Sea Caribbean. I visit La Cueva de Morgan and many islands. One day, I go to and show in the beach with my family and dancing party. All the night, the weather was good because never rain. All day was today. See, I am the restaurant trip the what experience. Thank you.